like walking around a whole bunch. So right now, I'll show that video hopefully in the next clip if I did it. But I had my chest mount on and I was casting out, and the lure just like flew in the air. Like I'm not even kidding, like probably close to 50 feet in the air. It was just a regular worm, just like a watermelon red like that, and it was pretty cool. Right now I got a Texas rig on there. Right now, I'm gonna say the more movement, the better. Like that. So that's what I did. I actually just broke that off just like that, and I think, I don't know, I've only caught one bass today, so I don't know. Guess I'll see you on the next clip, and we'll see how we do fishing. All right, guys. Oh. Oh, no. Fuck.
Had one?
No.
Uh-oh. On a limb or something?
It's the worst day of fishing.
I know, tell me about it.
God damn. Fuck. Huh. Get the hell off. It ain't even reeling no more. Oh.
I guess not every day is a good day.
10-pound line too. This shit ain't gonna break over.